headed to Tennessee.
Right. Right.
I prayed yesterday.
Father, we do thank you that we've got thus far, and Lord, thank you that all is going on. We just ask that you continue to go with us. Let us be safe. Let no harm come to anyone. The truck and the trailer, no problems. And be with our kids. And let us glorify your name today, Jesus.
Cause I'm right where I wanna be. I'll be right there beside you. I know right where I wanna be. I'll be right there beside you. I'll be right, I'll be right, I'll be right. Right and right beside you. Oh, you know right where I'm gonna be. Right there beside you. Water is rising, the levee is broken, it's blood in commotion this way. And it feels like we're sinking, but things will get better. We'll hang on together, okay? I'll be gone.
Yes, that is our hood you see raised. We are in Arkansas. We were going down the interstate and our battery indicator light was coming on and the alternator was not keeping our battery charged above 12 volts. So we found this little service station / truck parking, and we are a member of Coach-Net. So we have called Coach-Net, and Coach-Net is in the process of sending a mechanic to us, and looks like we probably are going to have a new alternator. We've checked online and the nearest Freightliner dealer is about 100 miles away. So if they have to get the part from there, it may be a long afternoon. But we're just thankful that we have Coach-Net, and we're also thankful that we're not broke down on the side of the interstate. So we'll check back as we progress through the day. Ricky and I were first introduced to the Coach-Net Roadside Assistance when we attended the RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida over a year ago. We were pulled aside by a little lady in the crowd who had Coach-Net herself and had used it several times and was so excited, and she even took us over to the tent. I believe her name was Doris. Thank you, Doris, for helping us. Our mechanic has arrived. So we're here in Arkansas. We have encountered a problem. We were leaving just out of Texarkana, and our battery indicator was flashing on the truck. The voltage had dropped down to 11, and so Ricky knew that we needed to get off the interstate. So we exited off. We exited a Love's truck stop. It was completely packed with trucks. There was nowhere to park. That particular Love's truck stop did not have a mechanic shop. So we came on down to the next exit and found this little quick market, and behind the quick market is a full area for trucks to park. So we got parked. We're off the interstate. We're in a safe place. We called Coach-Net, who we have a membership with, and they've hooked us up with a mechanic. The mechanic is here, and Ricky thinks it's the alternator. So the mechanic is checking everything out, and if it is the alternator, the Freightliner dealership is back in Texarkana, which is about an hour from here. So we might be the afternoon getting this repaired, but hey, life is good. We got off the interstate. We were not stranded on the interstate, so we're very blessed. And just we'll keep you posted and give you the results. So while Ricky and the mechanic are working on the truck, I'm just hanging out in the toy hauler, and I'm actually catching up on some video editing. So we have the new alternator and getting ready to get it put on. They weren't, but I told her we were getting the part from them. Now, what did she tell you?
She's gonna call me back and make sure, but as far as I believe, she said that they take care of the call out or whatever, and then y'all do the labor.
Yeah, they take care of you coming on site.
Outside, on site, stuff like that.
And we do
whatever
the labor.
labor is, y'all take care of it.
Beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story.
We are on the road again. Jason with Bypass Diesel and Wrecker Service from Kirby, Arkansas, got us all fixed up with the new alternator. And right now it's a beautiful sunny day as we're traveling on through Arkansas on our way back to Tennessee. Whee!
We got a beautiful story.